Have you ever noticed how your best ideas rarely come when you're exhausted, stressed, or running on empty? Well, there's a reason for that. I remember pushing through 16-hour workdays, surviving on coffee and convenience food, and telling myself I was just hustling for success. Then came the wake up call, literal burnout that put me in bed for a week. What I thought was dedication was actually sabotage. Today on the Monday Mindset, I'm revealing why Route 11 on the highway to success, sound physical health, isn't just about looking good or living longer. It's the hidden performance advantage that most ambitious people completely overlook. Sound health isn't just the absence of illness, it's a state of vitality, energy, and clarity that powers everything else in your life. It's the foundation upon which all other success is built. Why does this matter for your success journey? Because your body is the vehicle that carries your vision. The advantages of prioritizing sound health are transformative. You gain significantly better focus, mood, and decision-making abilities. You develop physical energy to take consistent action on your goals. You build self-discipline that transfers to every other area of your life. And you project more confidence and persistence in your professional meetings. Many high achievers learn this lesson the hard way. Well, by burning out or crashing or developing chronic health issues. They mistakenly believe they're sacrificing health for success, when in reality, they're limiting their success potential. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy. When your physical health suffers, your mental performance is the first thing to decline. This affects your creativity, your patience, and your judgment, and your resilience. So how do you build sound health without becoming a complete fitness fanatic or overhauling your life? Here are 3 practical approaches I teach in the Highway to Success program. First, prioritize sleep as a performance strategy. Nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, outperforms a rested brain. Even losing 1-2 hours of sleep a night reduces your cognitive performance by 25 to 30%. Create a wind-down ritual. 30 minutes before bed, turn off screens, dim lights, and perhaps read or journal. Treat sleep as downtime, not as recovery time. Athletes know this. They know that muscle building and growth actually happens on their recovery days. Second, incorporate movement throughout your day rather than just exercising. I mean, walking meetings, stretch breaks in between tasks, standing while on phone calls. These small movements regulate your nervous system and help create energy. I keep a resistance band by my desk to do a quick 2-minute movement between calls or whenever I can. Remember, motion creates emotion and clarity. You don't need to become a gym rat. Just stop being completely sedentary. Third, eat for sustained energy, not just for convenience or taste. The standard American diet creates energy crashes, brain fog, and inflammation. Start with one simple shift. Add protein to breakfast. Replace one processed snack with fruits or nuts, and drink more water before each meal. Now notice how it makes you feel 2 hours after, not just in the moment. Your body is giving you feedback about what fuels it best. Start paying attention to it. This week, I challenge you to choose just one area of health: sleep, movement, nutrition, or stress management, and make one small, consistent improvement. Track how it affects your energy and your mood, and especially your productivity. Remember, sound health isn't separate from success. It's integral to it. You can't build a thriving business or a career on a foundation that's crumbling. This is just one of the essential routes on the Highway to Success program. We teach you to transform these principles into practical habits where you can sustain them for your life. I'm Jeff Mays. I'm your success coach, and this has been your Monday Mindset. Let's make this week of honoring the connection between how we feel and what we achieve. Until next time, I'll see you going down the highway to success.
I'm riding high on the highway to success. Windows down, singing loud, feeling blessed. Got my dreams in the passenger seat and determination underneath my feet. The road gets rough, but I won't settle for less. I'm flying free on the highway to success.